I'm gonna say 7.
7?
6.5. All right. 5.5. 5. Okay, I got you. 6, 7. I'm going with 7. We got our first one right here, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. Did Brian explain the rules to you guys? Anybody understand what's happening here? Ooh, there you go. Nice. I'm coming down here a little bit. That. There you go. We got it. That wasn't good. Someone getting a push out there.
Uh-oh, Thor trying to...
Thor, go for it, Thor. Oh, he's up. Nice run.
Not bad.
Should that run go on the list, guys, for Thor? Maybe a little bit. All right. Well, there's a lot more left. He's going through the line again. We'll see what happens. Nobody on the list yet.
All right.
There it is. Almost. Should that make the list? All right, he's going again. Don't worry about it. We'll see what
That
happens.
was tough. He nailed the bumper right off the ground and bounced it back.
Kind of cool. All right, what is this? What is this? Oh my goodness! It goes to tailgate. Oh, that's dangerous. Okay.
Just shaking it loose.
Insurance is paid up. No big deal.
All right.
Who's this?
I don't know. You guys are down there. What do you see?
Nice one. Nice one.
Wild one.
Wild one. Should wild one go on the list? All right, Brian.
Yeah,
First one on the list is wild one for that good
was
run
great.
there. Here comes the Xterra.
Charged up.
Charged up. I agree. I agree. What do we got here? Nothing. A big nothing. What I got? Do it for Dale.
I like to do it there, but yeah, no, that was awful.
Yeah, that was awful.
That was not good. Oh, Van. 2 Vans in a row.
Uh-oh, Vans.
My favorite.
Vans.
Vans mean flips.
I'm in the debris zone right here.
What's the name of this van?
Darkwing Duck.
Oh, that was awful though, Darkwing Duck.
Guys, come on.
All right, whoa. Here comes Crash Test though.
Alright, yeah, go Crash Test, yeah!
There it is.
There it is. What do you guys think of Crash Test on the list? Is Crash Test on the list? All right. And the driver is
Balls out the back.
okay. 3, 2, 1. Hit that car. Hey, great timing. Brian, is it gonna start?
Nailed it. Yes.
All right, I agree. So that's not a really good bet.
No, I don't think it's gonna roll off though. I think it'll start.
We gotta get in. That's
in the
great.
back.
That's awesome. That is awesome. How many flip overs we got tonight?
One.
One. All right. 6 more to go for my win. There it is.
And it's rolling.
There it is.
How in the world?
GMC is the maker of that vehicle. Having fun tonight? All right. Good. Good.
Oh, here's your favorite one.
The roll. What do you guys think?
They should have rolled that.
I agree. I agree. All right. We got somebody with the lights on. They're blinding me out here,
I
Brian.
think it's that 007.
Well, that's 007.
007.
Go 007. Good speed. He's up. He's up. He's driving it. That's a good run. That's a good run. Oh, put it down. That's a nice hit. What do you guys think? 007 on the list? All right. Done. 007 on the list.
Done.
Cool.
On
Okay with
the
that.
list. We'll start moving now. Boom.
Yeah. Right, that's your car. That's
Yeah.
Larry the Lobster. That's your
I
car.
would not have anything to do with Larry that
I
much.
think you did, Brian. I think you did.
I would have abandoned it and eat that, pulling that thing down.
All right, this animal control. No, I don't think anything's gonna happen. Come on,
I don't
come on.
I like the showmanship, I'm not gonna lie. But you gotta give me something for the showmanship
Yeah.
to be cool.
Not good. Not good at all.
Instead of worrying about confetti, worry about hitting that ramp. Make it nice.
He's up.
Oh,
that was good. Nick at Night. Nick at Night needs to get booed.
Ooh, that's tough.
All right, what do you guys think? Is a Subaru. That's an Audi.
100% you're wrong.
It's an Audi.
You're wrong.
That's wrong. It's an Audi.
Rob, what do you say? Come tell me. I think it's a Subaru or something.
Audi.
Boo. Boo. Boo.
Oh, God. Yeah, let's hear that. A little louder for the magic.
I almost just threw my nacho cheese in the window in front of me.
Keep your eyes on the track. Eyes on the track. There it is.
Yeah, Mystery Machine. Ooh. I don't know.
So close.
Does that
So
make the
close.
list? Yeah? I didn't really hear anything, Sharon. No list.
Here we go. Alright. This was higher.
That did.
Alright.
I like it though. I mean,
Frankenstein, should we make the list?
Frankenstein sent it.
We don't have a lot on the list there, Brian.
I got
Get
some more
worried.
cheers there. That was more than I would have thought. I like the effort on that one. I'm not gonna lie.
Brian, I'm warming up to my idea of leaving the ramp out there.
I mean,
My idea.
I'm very hot to it.
103 or 03. All right. Let's see what we got
We need
here.
to pick it up, guys. Come on, hit that ramp right. We got a bunch of cars ready to go. Wow.
That was pretty good. That was pretty good. Should that be on the list, guys? All right, I agree with that. I don't know the name of that car, though, Brian.
I saw
Shane?
Shane.
Shane. Just call it Shane.
Shane.
All right, well, oh, we got the PT Cruiser up there with the push. Yay!
Let's do a Game of Thrones. Shame.
Shame. Shame. Shame. Nice.
007, I don't have time for the music, but you're up. You're up. Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one.
Nice run. Good speed. Nice run.
Get out of
Look
here.
at that. Look at
Come
that.
on, guys, make some noise.
Look at him go.
He's giving fire play.
007. Already on the list, but a great run.
Firefly was flashing his high beams, be like, oh yeah,
That was awesome.
game on.
I like to see him fight the wheel right here. Just crazy.
That was awesome. Just
Don't worry about it.
down.
All right. Firefly. Just warming up. He's going to go get back in line.
What was that?
Warming up.
What was that? Was it my fault? I didn't have his music on?
Yeah, see?
Thor, give it another go.
Oh, he missed it.
Oh,
I saw what he was doing
I
there.
did too.
Get back in line, Thor.
I like how angry he was at himself that he missed it.
Yeah, he was going for the big angle.
I know.
He'll roll.
99. You missed that one.
I think that's a Subaru, Brian.
Oh, now you know?
But the other one was an Audi. Did we get confirmation on that?
We got confirmation that you're wrong.
For real?
Yep.
Not on the list.
Look how good the confetti looks though on the road. Oh, here we go. This guy did good last time. You remember, he smashed that bumper and snapped back. Let's see if we can get that thing all the way over.
And the blown tire. And the blown tire.
All right, that's Super Trooper.
Does he make the list? Yeah. I would have to agree with that.
All right, Super Trooper.
That was cool.
Definitely on the list after that one.
That is a full roll on the
Wild one on the list. He's already on the list.
Wild one's on the list?
Yeah, you got voted on earlier. That does not improve his statue. Charged up. Boom. Show him the thumbs down, guys. Come on, don't just sit there. Show it to him. Yeah, let him know. I mean, you saw how passionate Thor was. They want to do good. If you let them know that they want better, they'll give it to you. I like the hockey stick.
Stand up, B for effort. B for effort. Here comes the van.
a good time out there.
All right, what do you got here, Ryan?
Here's your favorite.
Corolla. Yeah, this is fun, Ned. That wasn't too bad. But on the list for Corolla?
Ooh.
No, sorry.
Oh, here goes Larry.
I'll
Larry
reverse.
Lobster. A for effort.
B minus for effort.
All right. Ooh. That's rich. Oh, Larry.
Oh, I did not expect that.
It was so delicate.
Animal control. Wait, 3, 2, 1. Let that car. Oh, he destroyed that car.
You guys, geez, a bunch of new people, you guys. Well, thank you for coming. Join us this holiday weekend here at Beach Ridge.
All right, that's right. Labor Day weekend. How
It is.
cool is that? Oh, he's rolling. We got a roller. Ryan, we got a roller.
That thing going to start?
We got a roller.
I don't think so. Nick and Knight is not on the list. We booed him last time, in fact.
Yeah, he has some difficulties there.
Oh, wow.
Difficulties again.
Now, this is pretty funny. I mean, both him and Firefly are having some serious trouble this week. Yeet giving it another go with a flat tire.
On the rim.
Yeet.
How's that tailgate doing? Somebody be going home with that tonight after the smash and grab. Well, thanks. There's not a lot of car left on that one. Did not see Real Steel out here though, Brian.
Nah, Real Steel too old.
All right, wait a second. Thor, you're gonna hit it right this time. Here he goes. Here he goes. There you go.
There you go.
Nice.
Four speed. Four speed. Boo them for now.
Get in line again, Thor. Get in line again.
Hey, wait. Mark, here comes Mr. Machine. They did a really good attempt last time.
Right, and he wants it. You missed it. Maybe they're saving their cars for the finale.
He's trying, just swung and quit.
It's harder than it looks. It really is. You know, I did that one year.
Yeah. 007's back.
007. He's up. He's up. And he is down. Going through all that glass
Not
right
quite
there.
there. Not quite there.
Tastes good. Oh, the Cadillac started. Animal control started.
Get out of here.
Head right to me. Head right.
Send it.
I didn't even flinch, Brian.
Oh, yeah, right.
Ah.
Knees buckling from up here.
Shane's on the list, right? Is he already on the list?
Shane is on the list.
All right, cool. Still don't have a ton of cars. Did Thor get back in line?
We've got quite a few, actually. You'd be surprised.
Another pusher.
All right, boo.
The PT pusher. Just start the booing early. Boo. Yeah, hit him harder. Hit him harder. It's kind of quick.
Oh, look, here comes your Subaru. Actually, it's a song. Subaru?
Oh yeah, that's a Subaru, bro. I told you it was a Subaru. I told you that was a Subaru. I said it was a Subaru.
Yes, you're right. You're right, of course. Boo! Booed you 3 times already.
Boo. I mean 3, not on the list. What do we have here, Brian? 99.
Not bad.
Putting the gas, that's pretty good. 7 cars left.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, goodbye. Here, he must be a half.
Wild one, wild one. No. All right, Nick and Knight gonna give it another go. Yay or boo?
Faster.
I think we're booing. Booing.
Oh, the Nick at night. Boo. I don't know. That must be a new driver or something.
All right, 007 with our.
A little faster.
Yeah,
Need
come
more
on.
speed.
Get going.
He's up. He's up. He's driving. He's driving. Oh, that's all right.
Yeah, put it down to the tire.
It's all right. He's already on the list.
All right, here we go.
Get out of here.
This is charged up. We booed you 3 times twice. Gotta make it 3. Boo!
Get booed again.
Better do better. I want to see something later charged up. Hey, just David Martin. All right, here it comes. Let's see Firefly.
All right, come on, Firefly.
He's made it all the way back to the back stretch.
Put this track on
Further this week. complete Firefly rollover.
Does Firefly make the list? No, Firefly can't make the list.
But that definitely counts as a rollover, right?
Yes.
All right, there we go. We got 5 rollovers as of right now. All right.
There he is, folks. Hands raised, Firefly. Put your hands together. Awesome. The indestructible
Right out of there.
Firefly. Good job.
I hope they get the truck ready to go because the wall's coming up soon.
Guys, hold on. We've got a 3,
Ready?
2, 1. Flip that car. Nice. Good timing. Way to go. All right, what are we doing? Oh, we got to pick a winner.